24 hours before former FBI Director James Comey is set to testify, a bombshell.
Yeah, in fact, today his testimony has already been released, and in it, what he says happened during private conversations with President Donald Trump. Now, among those comments, the president telling the FBI director that he needs and expects loyalty.
Also, that the president wanted Comey to let go the investigation into former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn and Flynn's connections to Russia. We posted Comey's full testimony for you on our website at WTHR.com. And this comes on the very same day National Intelligence Director and former Indiana Senator Dan Coats was on the hot seat in Capitol Hill.
Yeah, in fact, today the topics, Russian influence on the election as well as the administration. Our political reporter Kevin Rader tonight is here with how Coats responded and what he would not say. Kevin?
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of discussion about that. Former Indiana Senator Dan Coats largely ducked questions about Russia. The Washington Post reported Coats told associates he was asked to interfere with then FBI Director James Comey and asked him to back off the Flynn probe. Today, Coats backed off.
But we have press reports of not once but twice that the President of the United States asked you to either downplay the Russia investigation or to directly intervene with Director Comey. Can you set the record straight about what happened or didn't happen?
Well, Senator, as I responded to a similar question during my confirmation and in a second hearing before the committee, I do not feel it's appropriate for me to, in a public session in which confidential conversations between the President and myself, I don't believe it's appropriate for me to address that in a public session.
Coats refused to answer questions regarding conversations with Trump regarding the Russia investigation. Asked what the legal basis for that refusal would be, Coats replied he was not sure he's not sure he has legal basis for refusing to comment. Ann?
All right.